Good morning, my YouTubers. Today, we're going to try to put some sense into my pantry, and let's show you the chaos before. Again, this is a real pantry. This is a real kitchen with real mess and chaos. So come behind me, Vin, and show them. Up top, it goes all the way up, is my baked goods. That kind is all right. Then come down here. You see a lot of things mixed in where they don't belong. I'm covering my sugar. Messy. And it's messy because I'm not organized. Down this, you see, this shouldn't be here. Potato chips should have their own home and cookies always. Now down here, these are some staples Vinny always uses. But look, they're creeping in with other things. When you don't watch, things creep in. I think I have a bag of chips on every shelf. So what does that tell you? And then I put the popcorn all the way to the bottom. But I do have an enormous amount of space, and I'm going to utilize it. We have some aprons on the door here. They're a little haggard, but it is what it is. And now I'm going to show you what I have to work with, and then I'm going to show you the after. This is what I have to work with. It may seem odd to you, but these are 3 little carpet mats. I have another pull basket. That may go in the fridge. We don't know. I have one of these. I have some smaller baskets. I got 4 of these with handles. See how they work out? And then I have one like this. And I got that one because, like in the bathroom, guys, I want to show you. That's the setup for there. See? You can modify and do what you want. So I got 3 big ones. I got a small one to test. I could always go back and get more of that. And we'll see what we can do to make my pantry more organized. So that was the before, and we'll be back for the after. Okay, we're back, and I'm going to show you how I progressed and what I was able to get done. This is a real kitchen. This is real things. Some stuff didn't work out. For the most part, the baking stayed the same. I just cleaned it up, neatened it. I put the tea in a bag to keep it a little fresher. Things I don't need, like I don't bake often, so I have 2 packages of those foil cupcake things. They can stay up there. Now I've organized the next shelf. I try to keep like things with like things. Baking, here's sugar, and here's pancake mix, here's cake. You could say I could put a few more boxes if I wanted to, but that's quite enough. I have extra flour, Crisco, brown sugar. So everything is seeable, visible. I like that. Now, down here, I utilized those boxes and boxes. These are plastic containers. I like them with the handle because, look, you just pull it out. I put that up to remind me that this is filled with tuna fish, sardines, and things of that nature, my tuna basket. This one here is ramen. Okay, and they fit in here beautifully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. And I could have doubled up, but that's quite enough of that. And in here, I've organized as all my syrups. We don't eat pancakes often. That's a brand new Costco maple syrup, simply because I love the bottle. It's absolutely beautiful. It looked like whiskey or liquor. I don't know. I just thought it was really pretty. So we did that. I like to do things inside containers to keep them fresher, especially baking soda. Here, I had an extra one I found in another room, and I used it to put things like upward here, some rice sticks, some rice paper, things I could stand up. I could fit quite a lot in here. Some artichoke hearts and basil and hot sauce. In here is a nifty trick. I used this. I had an extra cereal box. This is for cereal, but I use it for ice cream cones, in case anybody wants to tap into that idea. I love it. It keeps them extra fresher. They last months in there. Okay, now down here, this is the standard stuff that always has to be with us. This is Vinny's cereal. You'll notice there's one unopened. I need to get one more small because I always, for some reason, have 2 cereals, and he's just a special K, always, every day. You know, my variety. I have to have this one day, Rice Krispies, so there's cereal. This is something new. I took it out of my refrigerator because the other basket, I didn't have a basket this size. But again, this has the handle, and I have all like-minded things in here. These are powders and things for my smoothies and my juicing and things of that nature, and they fit in there lovely. I see everything. Here's his containers. He always uses, well, right now he can't have his cranberries, so they are to the back. They'll stay fresh in there. He does use the walnuts every day in his cereal. He loves apricots. There's my oatmeal. That shelf's done. And I got rid of a few things we're not going to be using. Down here are all of my canned goods and things. Everything is visible. That's real important when you're doing the pantry. See, I know that this is a random lentil, and anything I use that is duplicated, that's French beans all the way down. That's beans, and so on and so on. Okay. Here, I've taken that white basket a little bit larger, and you can see you get a good deal in here, a good amount. I have stuffing. I have all these things of breadings and such for chicken, and some seasoning mixes which fit ideally on the side. You could put maybe 2 or 3 more. This is chicken lettuce I never even got to. But anyway, that's perfect. And I love these handles, guys. Look at this. Dollar store. Okay, this, we had cartons all over the floor always for our coffee. Vinny's decaf, and I'm regular. Look how beautifully they fit in there. And I like this. I like this. These handles are really cool. It's like now if I got to get to the rice, I just go like this and pull out my rice. These are handles too. These are another good deal. I got this before, I think in dollar store a long time ago, and they come with, let me just open it and show you quickly in case you're interested. They're probably for flour or sugar because they come with the scooper in there. See that? Never even took it out. I actually didn't know it was there for 6 months. So there goes that, to show you how I was looking. And they close nicely. They keep everything fresh. And as you can see, I keep the labels on to tell me. I have them in the reverse because here's the handle. But I have them labeled that I know this is the medium grain, and I keep a recipe on there. And then this is my jasmine rice. So that's a good idea if you keep more than one rice. And rice lasts pretty indefinitely. I'm going to do a video on food expiration, things that last forever, so you know if you want to stockpile. But these are great. That's for coffee. This has always been the way I've kept this. I use my sandwich bags often, almost on a daily, no, I use them every day. Sandwich size, the freezer gallon size, more freezer gallon. Here are snack size. And then there's just another snack size from the dollar store, which I think is even smaller than, here's the regular. Let me show you. Because everything's different. See, that's that. And then this, that's right. This is long ways. In case you want to do peanuts or pretzels and you want something. So they're 2 different shapes. Okay, but there's every size I use on a daily basis. Gallon, sandwich, snack. That's that. Now, what I'm happiest about is that this situation, this potato chip situation, is under control. We do eat a lot. He eats them with his sandwiches all the time, and then we got these with hummus I like, and then it's just some snacks if you want to have something different than a potato chip. But it's all here, even including my premium. When I'm trying to snack well, when I think I'm doing something healthy, I'll have that with cream cheese. Popcorn we're trying to hide because we only do that on movie nights once every other week or once a week. When something's going bad and I don't have an extra clip, I just take a rubber band and get it really close, wrap it up as tight as I can. This will last another week or so, but it'll be gone. Okay, here I kept the sweet stuff. Cookies, caramel things. Vinny's into these rice cakes right now. He's enjoying. He's loves that. Here's my dirty little secret. I'm a pork rind girl. Love these. Been eating them since I'm a kid. When I want something crunchy and salty and greasy, I go there. I do. Back here is stuff I've always kept together, but now they're in a basket. Let me take this out because, see, everything has handles. This is what you love about the dollar store, guys. And just so you know, the reason is underneath this rug, the floor from my kitchen continues, but I don't want my things on a tile or concrete because they're food. For some reason, it bothered me. That's why I bought those carpets, but only 2 fit almost to the whole length. But I still enjoy it because it feels neat and clean. Same reason I have the oils and my breadcrumbs in a basket with fabric because they could get washed when it leaks oil or vinegar. And that's what's there. That's everything I've done, and I'm very happy with it. And now I feel organized. I feel like my brain's organized and I could think straight. And now I do cook better and I plan better and I do everything better when my pantry is organized. I don't know what it is. It's just it's a foodie thing, I guess. I'm on my knees here. I got to get up, guys. Excuse me. But like I said, this is a real kitchen, real problems. Like I said, the big baskets, the big white one, I was only able to fit one this way, long ways, but that's okay because the other one did not go to waste. I still have the other pantry, don't forget. So I put them in there and I did some other things. There's one thing I want to show you. I'm not ready to do my refrigerator yet, but I'll give you a sneak peek, and I'm going to do even better, but I'm so excited about this. I want to show it. Okay, my refrigerator is a little messy now, but it's going to get organized. I began with this. Oh, there we go. There goes Vinny's grapes. These things I'm starting to be a little obsessed with. Look at them. These little handle bags. You've seen me put them in the freezer. They hold quite a lot. We have rice pudding, peaches, applesauce, all in one spot. And it's a little more narrow than the big plastic one that's lower and spread out. So I like that. That's a good idea. And you still have the whole center. This is the soda. I've had this for years from Dollar Store. The soda holder. You can't beat that for $1.25. I've had this about 6 years now, guys. About 6 years. Now, I used to have my eggs in that big, plexiglass, whatever you call it, the plastic one that holds 14. I have it in New York. I've had it for years, and I got tired of it. I saw this on a video, and I ran and saw it in the Dollar Store today, and I'm obsessed with this now. Look how cool this egg thing is. See them? Show them how they sit in the fridge, my little dirty shelf. I'm going to redo it, but let me show you how that comes in and out. I mean, $1.25, guys. Look, it has its own little handle. Look at that. You want to get your eggs, and then you just put it back like that. It's not hard. Just be a little delicate. I mean, you don't want to rip it out. My shelf is a little dirty, but it just goes on like that, and it clips in. See? And it holds 1 dozen. So if that's not enough eggs to have on hand at one time, I mean, we're 2 people. 1 dozen is more than enough for us. So there you have it. I'm going to rework this, door and all. I'm going to go back to the Dollar Store because I have a few more ideas. But I hope that you enjoyed what I've done so far with what little I had. I spent about a total of $24. With everything. I got the rugs, the this, the that. I did the pantry, and I even helped my other pantry a little bit. So I'm happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my content, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.